What?
Soon.
What?
Soon.
Oh, I wish. I can't wait.
Soon.
How do you feel when you say crazy things like that to me when I've been challenging you for years?
Soon.
But I don't know the date. Can you just tell me the date?
You wanna know? You wanna know?
Come on, I just talking
You wanna
to
know?
you.
You wanna know?
I'm just asking.
You
Vandal,
wanna know?
stop.
You wanna know? You wanna know? You wanna know?
Vandal, stop.
You wanna know?
You
You wanna
have
know?
to stop.
You wanna know?
Please stop. I can't let you get close.
Can you hear my? You never can talk about this.
We end up on the ground, and I thought I had his arms. I remember thinking, I think I have it, but I couldn't see. And he keeps hitting me. Somehow he keeps hitting me in the head. And Vinny, one of my coaches, tells me, hey, that guy was punching you, and he tells me the guy's name. It never would have crossed my mind that it was a coach.